are the group 4 from 9 Dalton. Today, we're gonna solve the quadratic inequalities. First step, we need to express the quadratic inequalities as a quadratic equation in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. And then, we solve for x. Now, let's try to solve this problem. As I discussed in the first step, we need to express this quadratic inequality as a quadratic equation. Kailangan natin hanapin ang factors na kapag ginod ang dalawang numbers, negative 21 ang sagot. At kapag minultiply ang dalawang numbers, positive 108 ang sagot. 12 times negative 9 equals positive 108. Negative 12 plus negative 9 equals negative 21. Let's try to factor the negative 12 and negative 9. And then, we solve for x. I-transpose natin ang negative 12 to positive 12. At i-transpose natin ang negative 9 to positive 9. Final answer is x equals positive 12 and x equals positive 9.
Good day, I'm Northern Misa Jr. from Group 4, 9 Dalton. I will discuss by step 2 in solving quadratic inequality. Step 2, we need to locate the numbers found in step 1 on a number line. The number line will be divided into 3 regions. Ngayon nakuha na natin ang value ng x sa step 1. Ilalocate ngayon natin siya sa number line na divided into 3 regions. I-plot natin ang positive 9 at positive 12. Region A, Region B, Region C. Kung mapapansin nyo, hollow ang circle natin. Hollow means unshaded. Ang positive 9 at positive 12 natin ay hollow dahil hindi sila part ng solution. Paano natin nasabing hindi sila part ng solution? Balikan natin ang original quadratic inequality. Kapag less than lang, hollow lang ang circle. Kapag merong nakalagay na less than or equal to, ito ay shaded.
Good morning, ma'am. I am Jasmine B. Ranila from 9 Dalton, Group 4. So, I will discuss the step 3 of how we solve the quadratic inequalities. Let's have a test point. So, ang una natin gagawin is pipili tayo ng number sa bawat region. So, ang pipiliin ko pong number sa region A is positive 8. So, let's answer the region A first. So, let's put the 8 on a parenthesis, then copy the squared on x squared, then bring down the minus 21, i-put ulit natin yung 8 sa parenthesis, tapos i-bring down natin yung plus 108 is less than to 0. So, 8 times 8 is equals to 64. Bring down the minus sign, so 21 minus 8 is equals to 168. Bring down the plus 108. So, 64 minus 168 is equals to negative 104. Bring down the plus 108 again. And negative 104 plus 108 is equals to positive 4. Bring down the less than to 0. So, 4 is less than to 0 is false because mas mataas ang 4 kaysa sa 0. So, let's move on to region B. So, let's choose a number on region B. So, ang pipiliin ko number is positive 10. So, same procedure lang pala ang gagawin natin sa region B katulad nung sa A. So, ilalagay ulit natin sa parenthesis yung 10. Tapos, ilalagay natin ng squared. Tapos, i-bring down natin yung 21. Tapos, ilalagay ulit natin sa parenthesis yung 10. Tapos, i-bring down natin yung plus 108 is less than to 0. So, 10 times 10 is equals to 100. Let's bring down the minus sign. So, 21 times 10 is equals to 210. Bring down the plus 108. So, 100 minus 210 is equals to negative 110. Bring down the plus 108. So, ayun nga po. Sorry po sa noise kanina sa background kasi maingay po yung mga kumakain. So, ayun po. Negative 110 plus 108 is equals to negative 2. Let's bring down the less than to 0. So, negative 2 is less than to 0 is true because mas mataas ang 0 kaysa sa less than, kaysa sa negative 2. So, let's move on to region C. So, sa C is pipili po ulit tayo ng number. So, let's choose the number 13 or the positive 13. So, dito na po tayo masusulat sa kabila kasi wala namang susulatan dyan. So, sa C, let's put it on a parenthesis again. Same procedure din sa kabila. So, let's put an squared tapos minus 21. Put again the 13 on a parenthesis. Tapos bring down the plus 108 is less than to 0. So, 13 plus 13 ay 13 times 13 is equals to 169. Bring down the minus sign. So, 21 times 13 is equals to 273. Bring down the plus 108. So, 169 minus 273 is equals to negative 104. Bring down the plus 108. So, negative 104 plus 108 is equals to positive 4. So, let's bring down again the less than 0. So, 4 is less than to 0 is equals to false because mas mataas pa rin ang 4 kaysa sa 0. So, ang turn natin dito ay yung region B. So, ibig sabihin, ang solution set natin ay yung number sa region B. Now, paano natin sila isusulat using interval notation? So, we will have 9 and 12. At ang gagamitin natin ay ang parenthesis. Ayan. Dahil ang 9 at 12 ay not part of the solution, kaya ang gagamitin natin is parenthesis.
Jordan Misa Jr.
I am Jasmine Biranile.
And I'm Vix Jersey Tixi Pomarada, the leader of Group 4 from 9 Dalton.